If you want to print in many colors, choosing the right 3D printer is important. Some printers are easy for beginners, while others have more features for experts. Here are 6 of the best multicolor 3D printers that are good for different needs and budgets. Number 6. Flashforge Adventurer 5M. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M is a great 3D printer for beginners who want to print in multiple colors without dealing with complicated settings. It is designed to be simple but still performs well where it matters. It has a build area of 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters, giving you enough space to print everyday items like phone stands, cosplay accessories, or kitchen hooks. What makes it special is its fast print speed, up to 600 millimeters per second with quick acceleration. This means your prints come out faster without losing much quality. The printer comes with quick swap nozzles in sizes from 0.25 mm to 0.8 mm. This makes it easy to switch between detailed prints and faster, larger prints, no tools needed. Features like automatic bed leveling and vibration control help keep the printing smooth, especially at high speeds. This is perfect for beginners who want good results without spending time adjusting settings. It also supports multi-printer cloud control, so if you have several printers at a school or workshop, you can manage them all easily from one place. The printer is ready to use in just 10 minutes. Its dual cooling fans help produce sharp finishes, especially when printing quickly. On the downside, the open frame design means it is not ideal for printing with ABS or other materials that need a stable, warm environment. Also, while it supports multicolor printing, you'll need extra accessories to print with more than 4 colors. Overall, the Adventurer 5M is an affordable and easy-to-use printer, perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and educators who want fast, good quality prints. It's a smart choice for those starting their 3D printing journey. If you want more precision and better multicolor options, the next model offers serious improvements. Number 5. Prusso MMU3 with MMU3. The Prusso MMU3 with the MMU3 is a big upgrade for anyone who wants great print quality, more flexibility, and a reliable machine that just keeps working. Prusa is well known for making dependable printers, and this combo lives up to that reputation. The MMU3 has a build size of 250 by 210 by 220 millimeters, which is just right. It's big enough to print useful items like brackets or enclosures but still small enough to fit comfortably on most desks. The MMU3, Multi-Material Unit 3, lets you load up to 5 different filaments at once and automatically switches between them during printing. This means you can create detailed multicolor prints or prototypes with lots of design freedom. The printer uses a direct drive extruder with a dual gear system, which helps it push filaments smoothly and steadily. This is especially useful when printing with flexible materials or special filaments like carbon fiber composites. Advanced features like automatic mesh bed leveling and input shaping keep your prints sharp and reduce vibrations, even on complicated shapes. Since the printer uses open-source firmware, it gets regular updates and improvements from a large community of users. It also works with many slicing programs and different materials, giving you more control. There are some downsides, though. The MMU3 setup is not plug-and-play, it needs some time and patience to install and calibrate properly. Also, while it prints very consistently, it's not the fastest printer around. If you're a hobbyist wanting excellent multicolor prints and a reliable machine for the long run, or if you're upgrading from a simple InterStyle printer, this is a great choice. But if you want something smaller and easier to use right away, the next option might suit you better. Number 4. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo proves you don't need a huge printer to get serious multicolor results. Compact and packed with smart features, it's a solid pick for beginners or anyone looking for a smaller second printer that doesn't skip out on quality. With a build volume of 180 by 180 by 180 millimeters, it's perfect for miniatures, toys, accessories, and most everyday projects. One standout feature is the AMS Lite, a simplified automatic material system that lets you load up to 4 different filaments for smooth color switching without manual swaps mid-print. Despite its size, the A1 Mini prints at up to 500 millimeters per second and uses input shaping to keep ghosting and ringing down even at higher speeds. It also includes fully automatic bed leveling, eliminating guesswork for perfect first layer adhesion, a big win for 3D printing newcomers. The direct drive extruder handles flexible materials like TPU with ease, and the all-metal frame adds surprising stability to its compact footprint. Of course, being smaller has limits. This printer isn't meant for large format parts or bulky builds. And if you want remote monitoring, you'll need to add an optional camera since it's not built in. Still, for beginners or anyone prioritizing fast setup, clean prints, and hassle-free multicolor work, the A1 Mini Combo hits a sweet spot in both performance and price. Number 3. The Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo. The Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo is where size meets smart functionality without breaking the bank. It's a noticeable step up from smaller units, offering both expanded print volume and enhanced multicolor capabilities. With a build area of 250 by 250 by 260 mm, you can tackle larger projects like cosplay armor, functional brackets, or small batches of items in one go. This model reaches speeds up to 600 mm per second, and thanks to input shaping, prints stay crisp even at high speeds, a rare combination at this price point. Its color combo system supports up to 4 filaments per print, with automatic switching for smoother multicolor jobs. The 25-point automesh bed leveling ensures reliable first-layer adhesion without manual tweaking, reducing print failures. Add quiet operation and a flexible PEI-coated magnetic plate, and the overall printing experience feels streamlined from start to finish. On the downside, its larger footprint might not fit tight workspaces. And while the AMS-like system works well, it's not as refined as Bambu Lab's. Occasional tuning may be needed to keep it running smoothly. The Cobra 3 Combo is ideal for DIY enthusiasts or makers upgrading from older printers who want bigger multicolor prints without overspending. Number 2. The Bambu Lab X1 Series. The Bambu Lab X1 Series stands out as one of the most advanced consumer 3D printers available. Built for professionals and serious hobbyists, it delivers top-tier results with minimal fuss. With a 256 by 256 by 256 mm build volume, you have ample space for large-scale projects or small batch production. Its LiDAR-assisted bed leveling uses sensors and AI to monitor first-layer quality, spotting issues early, like having a second set of eyes on every print. The AMS system supports up to 4 filaments per unit, expandable with additional modules, enabling seamless multicolor and multi-material prints without constant manual intervention. At speeds up to 500 mm per second with advanced input shaping, the X1 maintains precision even at high velocities. Built-in cameras and a remote app let you monitor prints from anywhere, ideal for print farms or remote work. Flagship features like power loss recovery, fire detection, and over-the-air updates enhance safety and convenience. The X1's premium price may not suit occasional users, and its interface has a learning curve for beginners. But for regular creators who want pro-grade multicolor prints with minimal hands-on work, the X1 series delivers unmatched performance. Number 1. The Bambu Lab A1 Combo. For pro-level multicolor printing without flagship prices, the Bambu Lab A1 Combo strikes the best balance of power, precision, and value. It matches the X1's 256 by 256 by 256 mm build volume, so you're not sacrificing size. The included AMS system handles up to 4 filaments per job, automating color/material switches for figurines, functional parts, or mixed material prints. Speeds hit 500 mm per second, with input shaping ensuring sharp details even at high speeds. Fully automatic bed leveling eliminates first-layer frustrations, and whisper mode keeps noise low for home or shared spaces. The direct drive extruder handles TPU, ABS, and carbon-filled filaments with precision, making it more than just a hobbyist tool. Setup is quick, most users are printing within minutes of unboxing. The trade-offs? No built-in AI features or camera, though one can be added. For everyday users who want a smart, colorful, and reliable printer, the A1 Combo checks nearly every box.